If you want to renumber parameter values in Revit, use Naviate Accelerate, parameter values, and renumber. So in renumber, you can select to number by selecting objects or number by spline. Then you can select the element type that you want to renumber. I'm going to renumber my structural foundations. You can select which parameter you want to number in. It's going to be mark. And the current number, if you want a prefix and a padding. And then you just select the element you want to renumber. If you open the functionality again later, it will renumber the last number and you can continue. You can also number after a spline. So I can do number by spline. Select my detail line, that is a spline. And here it will renumber my 6 structural foundations. I can reverse the order if I want. And if I don't want to see this again, I can use do not show again. If I click OK, my structural foundation will have been renumbered and now have a parameter value in mark.